Hi guys, do you know that your portfolio is one major thing in photography that will give you those desired clients? That is what this video is all about. I'm going to be giving you key strategies on how you can build your portfolio that will be irresistible and attract you that desire and dream clients that you have been thinking of. So stay tuned and watch till the end. On this channel, I talk about photography tips and tricks on how you can build your photography business. Okay, so if that is what you want, please consider subscribing to this channel and click on the notification bell because I drop video on weekly basis. I want you to know that your portfolio is one major thing in photography that you must focus on. Apart from your technical skill, your marketing skill, and the other things, your portfolio is one thing that you should also focus on. So let's start the business of the day. First thing, I want you to define your niche and brand. Defining your niche and brand, I want you to be specific, and on another is I want you to be specific about the type of photography that you do, about the type of niche that you are photographing. Either it's a wedding, it's a fashion, it's a lifestyle, it's a beauty, and the rest of them. So I want to let people know you that this is what you do, this is what you are known for. And the second part of it is that I want you to have a consistent color palette in your portfolio. This is very important. Like, I want your client know, make your client to know that this is the type of editing style that you are known for. Don't get them confused. And the next one which I'm talking about is curate your best work. This is very, very important for you to succeed in your photography when building your portfolio. You know, I mostly talk to people that like whenever you're posting your pictures on any of your social media handle, that should be your best work for that week, for that month, or for that day. Don't just be posting because you just want to be posting on your social media handle. It doesn't speak well of it because when your clients come, it is what they see that they will use to judge you. So when you are posting your work, try to create your best work that you have gotten or that you have photographed for that day, for that week, or for that month. I always tell people that when you are posting your work, post quality over quantity. Post quality over quantity. Don't just be posting because you want to be updating your style. Even when you have stayed for some time and you've not been posting, don't just post anything on your page because you want to update it. Okay, just put things together. Let it be your best work that you are posting because that is what will attract your clients. That is what will attract that dream clients to your portfolio and for them to book you. The next one I'm going to talk about is optimizing your portfolio. This is very, very important for you to succeed in your photography business as a photographer when building your portfolio. Optimize your portfolio. I want you to use keywords in your portfolio right from your profile. Use those necessary keywords that align to the type of photography or the type of niche that you are photographing. Use those keywords that people can search, and when they search, your profile, like your portfolio will like a pop up. Okay, use those keywords that relate to what you are doing, and when they search, it will pop up. Another thing I also want you to do is that I want you to optimize your post. Like any post that you are dropping out on your social media handle, optimize those posts. Even the captions that you are using, try and optimize them so that your posts, your pictures, and everything will be ranked in SEO. Optimize your post that will be ranked in SEO. That is what I'm trying to say. Because don't just like to be using any captions and you will not be shown in SEO when people are searching for this type of photography or this type of content. Try as much as possible to optimize your post to rank in SEO. Okay. And guys, please, if you're finding this video interesting, I want you to subscribe to this channel and also click on the notification. This is a new channel that I'm just building. So help me and subscribe to this channel so that we can reach out to more audience on this platform. All right. And the next one I'm going to talk about is you have to list your business on my Google business for local search because when people are searching for this type of photography or this type of studio in the area, when you list your business on my Google business, your own business, your own studio name will also pop up among the others that they are also showing. So it is very important for you to list your business on Google Business Search. And another thing I'll be talking about is you leveraging on your social medias. This is very important because you building your portfolio is another thing. You like using your portfolio to attract new clients is another thing. You cannot just build a portfolio and you expect clients to come. You have to first thing leveraging your social media by posting regularly on those platforms that you have built. And when you are posting, just like I said earlier, don't just post because you want to post. Post your best work on those social medias. Okay, and you can also do cross posting to other platforms. If you are posting from Instagram, you can also cross post it to Facebook and the rest of them as well. That will be very easy and that will save time. Okay, and that will be also very effective when you are posting. You're getting the point. And under this, I want you to study your audience and know the right time to post. Okay, you know the type of people that are following you or the type of people that you want to attract. So it is very important for you to study the time that they will see those posts. Don't just post any time of the day and you feel that they will see it or your post will go viral the way you are thinking. Study them, the right time to post, and before you know, you start having success in your business as a photographer. And the next one which I'm also thinking about is that you have to engage with your audience. Okay, I know most people have been avoiding this. Most photographers have not been doing it, but this is very very important. You engaging with your audience is something that will also set you apart. Not just like whenever they comment on your post, try and reply those comments. Try and reply the comment. Don't just like make them look stupid, because when they comment at least they are showing interest in you, whether it's a good or bad comment. They try and respond, and get to know what they are saying. You can also engage with other of your colleagues. Don't like whenever you're online try to like relate, try to comment on others photographers work as well. Try to make yourself, try to leverage on this social media, because that is what will make your potential clients to see you as well. And the next point which I'm going to talk about on how you can build a successful photography portfolio that will get you those desired clients is, please, I want you to use the relevant hashtags when posting your works online in any of these social media platforms. Whenever you want to post your work online, please use the necessary hashtags that relate to the type of photography that you are doing, or that relate to the type of posting, the type of picture that you are giving out there. Don't just use any hashtag that you think, and because when you are using hashtag that does not relate with you, you will confuse the platform.
Okay, your work will not be able to to rank or to show up in the search engine. So try and use the necessary hashtag that relate to your photography, that relate to the area, that's your location that you are photographing, or anything that relate to what you are doing or what you are posting. This is very very important. So guys, I believe this video has been so helpful. So please subscribe to this channel so that whenever I drop a content like this, you will get notice of it. Thank you and see you in my next video.